Coral Bay is a beautiful and popular tourist destination in Cyprus. This beach has a stunning beach with soft sand and clear blue water. The bay is surrounded by rocky headlands and sea caves, which offer a great opportunity for snorkeling and exploring. You can spot various marine life among the rocks, such as fish, octopus, and starfish. Coral Bay has a lively and friendly atmosphere, with many restaurants, cafes, and bars along the avenue. You can find a variety of cuisines, from Japanese to Italian, and enjoy the local specialties, such as halloumi cheese and souvlaki. You can also have a drink and listen to live music at the pubs and clubs. Coral Bay is a great base for exploring the nearby attractions, such as the Avakas Gorge, a natural wonder with impressive rock formations and rich flora and fauna, and the Adonis Baths, a mythical place where the god of beauty and love bathed with his lover Aphrodite, and the Mar Palaeokastro settlement, a historical site on this cape where the first Greeks settled in Cyprus in 1200 BC. If you are feeling adventurous, you can join a boat tour from Paphos harbour to the Coral Bay and further to Blue Lagoon, where you can swim in the turquoise water and admire the scenery. On this cape in 1200 BC, the first Greek settlers landed, fleeing from Mycenae, which had been conquered by the mysterious Sea Peoples. Here hided the first Greek city on Cyprus, whose ruins gaze upon us, Mar Palaeokastro.
In those ancient times, the island was inhabited by remnants of the Minoan civilization from Crete, which had lost its power after the eruption of the volcano on Santorini. Archaeological evidence suggests that the initial Greek settlements on Cyprus were surrounded by walls, likely indicating military threats or clashes with the local Minoan population. Furthermore, other peoples inhabited the island: Phoenicians, Assyrians, Egyptians, and Persians, ready to intervene in the affairs of the island and compete with the Greeks for influence and resources.